All right, there's option number 1. Look at that. Free screen from a gazebo. I think it looks pretty nice. You can see right through. It's nice and airy. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this one side like this for the night. Let Jenny see it and see if she cusses me out or if she wants me to do the other side like that. Like I said, this is just temporary, but it'll look nice for the fall, and then we'll put plastic on it for the winter unless we find something. So check it out, guys. Looks nice, I think. The screen does. You can't even hardly see it. And then it wrapped around here to the inside and up to here and then right to there. So there's gonna be a little gap in the middle. And the other side will go so you can see it. This is not done yet, but it's nice and airy. There's that one line, that one seam. So like I said, it's not forever, but I like it. Can't hardly tell it's there. So I don't think I'm gonna push my luck and do this side, but maybe I will. See what time it is. Alright guys, simple, easy little shelves to put the pine tongue and groove that's in the loft. Put those on there, and yeah. I can always take them down when the pine tongue and groove is gone, but then we can clean the loft up. Are you done being a slacker now so we can get this pine tongue and groove out of the loft?
I'm a slacker.
Jenny's got like 8 things going on at once, and I'm out here just fiddle farting in the pole barn. So guys, it's been storming all morning. I think we got like a couple hour gap before the next round comes through. Jen's getting a little crazy about the loft, which I don't blame her. It's been driving me crazy, but I have a pretty good ability to just ignore the loft because I don't go up there.
Yeah.
I make her go up there, so as you know, problem solved.
You don't have the ability to ignore it. You just don't go up there, you jerk. Oh, that's not ignoring it. That's not even knowing what the problem.
Well, like, I have a pretty good ability, and that ability is named Jenny. So we're gonna put all this pine tongue and groove down here on the couch real quick, and then she can hand it to me out the door, and we'll get rolling. Want to do that?
Yes.
All right. So, mess your hands up. You got it. There we go.
There we go, guys.
Nice and safe and dry.
Yep. Next project. I'm gonna put some metal up here, guys. Be a video soon.
Sure are worried about that little couple pieces of metal over there. There's a whole lot more important things to get done than that.
I want to clean stuff up, and that's where all the snow blows in.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I'm just being aware.
So, all right, guys. One more project done. One more little thing.
Yes.
So.
What is this?
These aren't even attached to anything anymore.
Plant is dead. That's more suitable now.
Oops. I'll give you oops.
All right, don't break it.
I'll give you an oops.
Guys, here's my runs. I gotta go from here all the way over there. I really thought I built this cabin a little higher than this.
You're a little...
Hey, watch it.
Alright, guys. Got the first layer done. I need to let it dry because right now I'm just moving paint around so it's not dry. So I'm going to let it dry and then put a second coat on it. I'll probably do that tomorrow because it's about 5 o'clock and I want to try to go get a deer. So I'm going to do that and I'll do more tomorrow. But looks good so far.
Alright guys, Jenny's in the hunting blind, or the deer viewing station. She painted the door as much as she could before she had to go. And I got all the plumbing insulated. It's not real exciting to watch me crawl around under the cabin, but I'll give you kind of a 10-second tour. So there's the pipes to the kitchen. They go all the way over to that side. Over here, they come from back here. Okay, go to my pump, or go from my pump. That's all insulated. Those pipes from the kitchen come up here. Look at everything, guys. Look, there's the kitchen ones right there to the right. Then they come up to here because this is the manifold they come from. But everything is all insulated to the bathroom sink, to the shower, through the filters, over here, over to the heater. So that should help on these cold nights until we get the cabin skirted. But our next project, guys, is to get a box built around this water tank, propane tanks, and heater, and then get that all boxed in and insulated. That's going to probably be in the next few days. And then the project after that is skirting of the cabin. So we got a lot of projects done. We have a couple big solar energy improvements for both the barn and the cabin. I'm very excited about both of them. I think you guys will be impressed and enjoy them as well. We're just trying to get the kinks out of everything and get the products. So very cool. Very much appreciate you guys hanging out with us. It's a beautiful time of year, guys. Just like in the spring when I do maple syrup and it's sunny and snowy. This is, I mean, I could probably just show you everything we do. And it just makes it so much more enjoyable when it looks like this. But these leaves are quickly falling, so we only got another week or two and then it'll be gray for 6 months. Gray till May.
Yum yum.